Ladies and gentlemen, we have a problem. This morning's briefing, another incident. My son, Porko Jr. Yesterday, he accidentally launched 3 emergency flares at the Bunny Express courier.
Dad, this is amazing!
Get him down, now!
I'm helping, Dad!
Is that a kid on the nose?
Tell me I'm seeing things.
Woo! This is amazing! Why is this not shit?
We have a minor on the aircraft nose. Repeat, minor on the nose.
Don't drop the pizzas! Don't drop the people!
What in the ham bone is he doing up there?
Get